Welcome to the School Jotter Policy Module. In this video, we'll walk through how to manage your school policies quickly and efficiently. On the main dashboard, we'll begin by opening the Policies module. Here you'll see a clear list of all your policies, with key information such as the title, review date, and current status. Each row has simple options to view, edit, or download the document. Let's take a look at one of the existing policies. With a single click, you can preview the file directly within the system. This ensures all your important documents are stored securely in one place. Each policy can easily be updated or replaced, and older versions can be archived, so your list always stays clean and current. Approval is straightforward too. You can assign a staff member or governor to review and sign off the document. The module automatically tracks who approved it and when, giving you a clear audit trail. To make things even easier, School Jotter will automatically remind you when a policy is due for review. This helps your school stay compliant without the need for endless manual checks. Finally, back on the policy dashboard, you'll see all of your active and archived policies in one central place. Easy to manage, easy to track, and designed to take the stress out of policy compliance. That's the School Jotter Policy Module. Simple, secure, and built to save you time.